Hi and welcome to Cebuano News. Here are the top 10 best universities in Cebu. At number 10 is Southwestern University. Founded in 1946, Southwestern University is recognized in the region as a leader in medicine, dentistry, and allied health programs. Now named Southwestern University FINMA under FINMA Education since April 2015, the university aims to enable students to become the best that they can be by providing practice-focused, relevant, hands-on learning and creating an empowering and vibrant student life and community. It builds on its expertise and extends these to new and other programs. At number 9 is the University of Visayas, the first university in Cebu. Today, the University of the Visayas has grown into an 8-campus, province-wide system of higher education and lower-level laboratory schools. The university currently offers 24 bachelor's degree programs, most of which start with ladderized associate degree courses, a postgraduate Bachelor of Laws, 7 master's degree programs, and 4 doctoral programs in various fields. At number 8 is University of Cebu. The University of Cebu is a private, non-sectarian, coeducational basic and higher education institution in Cebu City, Philippines. It was founded in 1964 offering preschool, grade school, junior and senior high school, undergraduate degrees, and postgraduate degrees. It currently has 5 campuses. At number 7 is Cebu Doctors University. Cebu Doctors University consistently ranks among the top medical universities in the Philippines based on the national licensure examinations. It is the only private institution in the Philippines granted a university status without having a basic education curriculum and catering mainly to courses related to the health services field. At number 6 is Cebu Institute of Technology University. The Cebu Institute of Technology University is a private non-sectarian academic institution in Cebu City. The university provides basic and higher education with a foundation in general and technological education. The university was known simply as Cebu Institute of Technology until 2010 when it has attained university status. At number 5 is the University of the Philippines Cebu. The University of the Philippines Cebu is a public research university and the youngest constituent university of the University of the Philippines system located in Cebu City. As a constituent university of the UP system, UP Cebu is headed by a chancellor who serves as the chair of the University Council. At number 4 is Cebu Normal University. Cebu Normal University is a state research university established in 1902. CNU is designated by the Commission on Higher Education as Center of Excellence in both nursing education and teacher education. It was then called Cebu Normal School and later became Cebu Normal University. At number 3 is University of San Jose-RECOLETOS. The University of San Jose, Recoletos or USJR is a private Catholic research and coeducational basic and higher education institution run by the Order of Augustinian Recollects. It was founded by the Augustinian Recollects in 1947. In 2019, the school bought a property in Ormoc City and plans for constructing a campus there are on the talks, and that would be the first campus of the institution to be situated outside the island of Cebu. At number 2 is Cebu Technological University. Cebu Technological University is a public, non-sectarian, coeducational, state-funded higher education institution. The university, since its founding in 1911, was also previously known as Cebu Trade School, Cebu School of Arts and Trades, and Cebu State College of Science and Technology until, in 2009, by the virtue of Republic Act 9744, it was converted into a state university and assuming the name Cebu Technological University. And the best university in Cebu is University of San Carlos. The University of San Carlos is a private, Catholic, research, coeducational basic and higher education institution administered by the Philippine Southern Province of the Society of the Divine Word Missionaries. USC has 5 campuses with combined land area of 88 hectares or 217 acres. The university is certified with the International Standards Organization, ISO, Quality Management System for Institutional and Student Support Services as of April 2022 by the British Standards Institution International. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe for more updates.